So this is the outcome. This glass of juice is a million sweet. This glass of juice, I am giving it out there to my subscribers and the people who are yet to subscribe. Hey guys, welcome back to another video. This is Maram, your girl, with another inspirational video. And also I'm gonna show you guys my personality, and then moreover I'm gonna show you guys today how to eat healthy and how to drink healthy local juice or homemade juice. So if you know that you have a homemade juice that is your favorite, let me know it on the comment section, because I have my favorite juice that I normally make back home, and it's called baobab juice. I know some of you will not know the meaning of baobab juice, but some of you might know what is the meaning of baobab juice. But before we go straight to this baobab juice, this is the baobab I'm having here. People from Gambia, Senegal, they will know baobab very well, and I know Nigeria here, they know it as well. But probably the way we make juice out of it, you might not really know. So I'm going to show you guys today how to make a baobab juice. Very simple and easy recipe. Guys, before I start doing anything, I want us to discuss, I want us to gist about today's episode, because today's episode is going to be Tacha and Tuoyo. Yes. And also I got a video from Rosie and I really love, and I'm also going to tell you guys about that video. I'm also going to talk about Khafi's brother being murdered in London. That is so tragic, but I'm still going to say it. Before I will end the video, I'm going to show you guys how to prepare this. But before I will start the video, I'm going to show you guys how to soak this and allow it to soak for some minutes. If the fruit is really dry, you can leave it there for 30 minutes or 1 hour if you wish. It's from the baobab tree, we call it baobab fruit. And add a bottle of water. Add any quantity you want. If you want it thick, but if you want it so light and then good to go with your own taste, you just add the amount of water you want. So right now I am adding the water in it. Are you seeing it? I'm adding the water. Okay. So the ingredients I'm gonna need in this is gonna be pig milk. I'm also going to need powdered milk. This is Nido. Nido is my best milk I have ever tasted. Some milks I don't like them, but Nido, I love it since I was in the Gambia, I was in Senegal, and when I came to Nigeria I still love it as well. And pig milk is always my evaporated milk. We call it liquid milk or evaporated milk. I really love it. I love it so much because it gives me this glowing skin. Yes, it's my secret. I'm gonna use essence vanilla. I know you're gonna like it. Yes. You know I am foodie. Yes. And then my hobby is cooking. I love preparing things in the house, but I'll not be showing you guys. But I have seen that now that you guys are getting to know me, I have to show you guys my personality and how I live healthy and then how I live strong. So I want to show you guys everything, what I'm doing in the house bit by bit, one after another. I'm gonna need these 3 kitchen utensils. This one is to sieve or to filter the baobab fruits. And this one, I'm gonna use to mix with it. Some people use their hand, but I don't like using hand. Let us be hygiene, because whenever you are in your house, you need to be hygienic. So I'm gonna use this also to mix it and test whether the sugar is okay or not. Therefore, I'm gonna use sugar, and this is my best sugar. Sugar cube, I love it so much. I'm also gonna need a glass. Yes, this is a glass. I'm gonna need it to pour my baobab juice there and get ready to drink. And I need water as well. And then what do I need? I need condensed milk if it's needed. If you want, you can put condensed milk. But to me, I love condensed milk in my baobab juice. Just a little bit of it. So let's go straight to today's video. Let's discuss about today's video. I'm gonna talk about Tacha. Tacha. Tacha is trending, and then Tuoyo is also trending. How you even talk when I am talking, that is Tacha who is saying this. So cause of Twitter, commentary, crushing, you two want to feel among. Now wow, this low IQ, you DM your account details in 2018. Tacha is saying that Tuoyo DM her his account number or account details, bank details, yes, for Tacha to send some money to him. But Tuoyo came out to deny all these things. Yes, he came out to deny all these things. And then in Tuoyo's video, Tuoyo has said a lot about Tacha, and I don't want to repeat them. I want you guys to hear it from the horse's mouth.
Okay, I would like to clarify something. Tacha, yeah, I said that. Now, this is the reason why everybody you work with keep dropping you like a bad habit. Now, my account was in your DM because I was influencing a song for Charming Official Ogologo. You didn't pay me money. Did you pay me money? Now, if I want to beg person for money, not be even you, I go beg money for himself. So stop coming on Instagram trying to do as if I was your account trying to beg you for money. Girl, grow up. Stop acting your age. Grow up. Be matured.
But in this particular message I have here, I want you guys to listen to this one. I dislike liars. I know many people can attest to the fact that you lie a lot and you are a big pretender. You live for the grammar. You act for the camera. My account was in your DM not because I was begging or asking you for money. So his account number was there to receive money from another company or another singer. But Tacha did not pay him the money, and Tacha is saying that Toyo sent his account number to her. So I don't know what exactly they are talking about. It is true that Toyo sent his account number to ask for money or to beg money, or the account number was sent to Tacha because Tacha is supposed to pay the influencers. So let me know on the comment section what do you think about this. And I'm also going to drop the video here for you guys to hear from the horse's mouth. The fight is real. It's getting real out there. And then Tacha also, listen to this.
See, there's nobody that understands Instagram strategy more than me. Do you get? But when I dey lie my own, I dey lie with caution. Yeah, I get. I dey fear God dey for even take lie. I need lie where be say even my fellow liars to see itself and even get angry with me. It's not nice. I go carry person car, take go snap picture, say build house, yeah, even adding ex-husband on top of it. Now who is laughing? Both the ex-husband's family, both the ex-husband, both the current boyfriend or current what, everybody's laughing at you. Like, why? And see, try the caution when it comes to lies. It's not nice. Say this car riding now, it's not my car. I don't call life when I say, hey, it's my car, I just got it. No! And oh no, I lie with the fear of God. So please, for the upcoming liars, lie with caution. Fear God and lie, please.
Tacha said that she lies with caution. So whenever she's lying, she's always thinking of what to lie, but not to lie perpetually. And then somebody came out there to say that this Blessing CEO responded to this. Person where even clout with Davido. Draw for chess. David still married Choma, Queen of Clout. This was when they were fighting. Their Blessing CEO was fighting with Tacha, and then people have retrieved this message to send it out there to confirm that Tacha lies about things. So I don't know whether it's true or not, but nonetheless, let me know in the comment section. Let us move on to another caption I got here. This is Khafi. Wow. And people thought I was paranoid. Thank God my handler is God, and he brings all things done in darkness into the light. So this message was out there for Jackie, and I'm getting this message now. That's why I want to share it for you guys. Khafi is saying that her handler is God, so nobody can challenge God, so you better leave her. She's a child of God. Okay, that's the message I got from Khafi. And there's another message I got from Khafi, but it's a tragedy. Khafi is crying that she needs prayers from friends, from family members to pray for their family. Why? Because his brother is murdered in London. I don't know what's the reason why they murdered his brother, but nonetheless, may his soul rest in peace. And then sorry for you, Khafi. And then I'm very sorry to hear this news, Khafi. Very sorry, but God knows the best, and he will always try to wipe out your tears. Very sorry. Okay.
And I thank you guys. Thank you for respecting me and my family. Like I said, just please pray for us. Pray for us. Pray for me. Pray for my brother. Pray for my whole family. Yeah, it's not easy, but I just want to pray. I just want to keep on praying. I don't want to stop praying. I just think that's the most important thing to do right now, is to keep praying. So I don't want to stop it. I just don't want to stop praying. So
I got another message again, and then this message is about Mercy and then Instablock. Yes, Mercy and Instablock. Let us get the caption. Alleged body odor, Big Brother Naija winner, Mercy said Tacha on IG live. They said that Mercy was trying to say Tacha on IG live to say that Tacha has a body odor. So this Insta blog brought out this out there, and then I don't know where and how they even came about this, but Mercy now responded to Insta blog. If I knew you were for sale, I would have asked you to name your price because you work overtime these days using me for clickbait, taking 30 seconds out of a conversation that happened 3 days ago about what the next episode may be about to post and fit your narrative doesn't make you slick. But who God has blessed, no man can curse. Instablog. So hashtag Instablog. This message was from Mercy to respond to Instablog. So guys, what do you guys think about all this class back, or what do you guys think about all this drama out there? Was it really necessary, all these things? I think they should go with their mind. They are role models, they are celebrities, and people are out there to watch them, people are out there to learn from them. I think they need to reduce the drama on IG because it's getting too much. That's my own opinion, and then I want you guys to say your mind on the comment section if you think that this is right or it is not done for them to do such. And last but not the least, in the video, I found a video where Rosie is looking so fabulous. Rosie is looking so sweet and then gorgeous with the hair. Oh my god, that hair brand she's working with, they really gave Rosie some beautiful hairs, and then Rosie wore one, and I came across this video. I said to myself, who born this fine picking? So I have to bring that video here. I know it's very short, it's a 5-second video or 10-second video, but I'm gonna upload it for you guys here, for you guys to see Rosie and admire the beauty in her, the African beauty, the natural beauty. See, it's looking take away. Kachi, you are lucky. Kachi, you are lucky. Let me blow myself. I'm really feeling heat. Why? Because Kachi is lucky. Rosie is a very beautiful woman. The house was hiding her beauty, but now her skin is flawless. Oh my god. So you guys gonna see that. Okay guys, let us continue. Guys, I've already soaked this for 15 minutes or more than it, and now using this local mixture to mix it. Okay guys, I'm still mixing it. Some people use their hand to mix it, but I don't do it because I want to get it done without putting my hand in. As I said to you guys, is the way you want it. I don't want it so thick. Why? Because when this is thick, if I put milk, it will be too thick. Do you understand? So I'm gonna need another bowl here, another spare bowl. So I'm gonna sieve this. Yeah. You see, I'm separating the juice from the seeds. I'm separating the fruit from the seeds. I'm separating the juice from the seeds. So this is how the juice look like. Right now there is nothing in yet. So I'm gonna put some sugar here. The quantity of sugar you want, you will definitely put that amount. So some people use half cup of sugar when it's the grind one or the powdered one, but I'm gonna use on my own measurement. You see, I have 10 here, so I'm gonna put this 10 here because I don't love sugar too much. So when you are doing anything natural, you don't really need sugar that much. So this is it. I'm gonna mix this. At this moment, I'll be adding some milk. Yes, I'll be adding my evaporated milk. You see, the pig milk is coming now. It's coming to play a role here. It's gonna thicken in the juice. Yes, the pig milk is gonna thicken in the juice. So at this junction again, some people add powdered milk. That was why I brought the powdered milk for you guys to see. But as of now, I'm trying to watch my weight. I don't want to be taking too much milk. Yes, I don't want to be taking too much milk, so I'm avoiding milk. Yes, I have the needle here, but I'm not gonna use it. I have it here, but I'm not gonna use it. So you see the outcome. It's already thick. Are you seeing it? Are you seeing that? Oh, it looks yummy. It looks slimy. Aww, who wanna taste this? I'm loving it already. I love the color. So when you look at this and you don't know what they used to make this, you will eventually think that it is kuno-aya, as I told you guys, using the tiger nut. Yeah. So this is the condensed milk. I'm gonna add some condensed milk inside. It's not that really thick, but this is how I want it because it's a juice. I don't want it so thick. Yes. I'm gonna add this condensed milk here. I remember when I was in school, I take condensed milk and eat it like that. Or sometimes I'll be adding hot bread with condensed milk and some butter. I love it then. So condensed milk has some sugar in it, so you better be careful of how much amount you'll be adding in here. So I'm gonna add just a little bit of it, just to give it that condensed milk taste. Yes. Some people, they can put the whole tin in here, but I can't because I don't want too much sugar in it. As I told you guys, I'm trying to watch my weight, so I am very mindful of what I eat. I was so fat like 4 months back, but now I'm losing my weight. So this is Essence Vanilla. This Essence Vanilla is in the banana flavor. So you have to be very careful of the amount or the quantity you want to put here, because if you put too much, it will be bitter. So just put a drop. My mom will be telling you, put a drop. Okay, this is just a drop of it, so I'm putting it here. Just to have that, so that it will smell so good. Oh my God, wow. So simple and easy. So this is the outcome. Oh my God, this glass of juice is a million sweet. This glass of juice, I am giving it out there to my subscribers, and the people who are yet to subscribe, I'm gonna give you guys a sip. Wow, this is so good. It has that sour taste in it because the baobab fruits have the natural sour taste like zobo, but not really sour. So this is it. Wow, so good. This is how it is. It's called baobab juice. Local baobab juice. It's a home remedy juice, very healthy and tasty. We call it bui in my tribe, wall of bui. So try this bui juice. It's a very nice juice and you will never regret it, and you will come back here to thank me. So guys, this is the end of the video. And then guys, last but not the least, before I end this video, guys, this juice is very good when you put it in the fridge and then let it get that chilly, glassy. Oh my God, you will love the juice. When you put it in the fridge for just few minutes, 5 to 10 minutes, if your freezer is a very good one, or more than it, please, if you drink this, let me know the taste of the juice. But me, I don't like taking cold things, so I avoid putting it in the fridge. But nonetheless, try it and you will enjoy it more. Okay, and tell me on the comment section which other recipe do you want me to bring out here for you. If you don't have any, wait for my own. This is me, and then this is the new way of doing my videos right now, because I have some subscribers. I asked, what do you guys think I should be doing in my channel apart from bbnaija recap or ultimate love analysis? I'm not gonna stop those things, but whenever I'm doing a gist now, I'm gonna distract you people by giving you guys healthy, yummy recipes for you guys to learn from me. And also there are other talents I have that are hidden, and I'm gonna show you guys here for you guys to get to know my personality, get to know who you guys are watching day and night. And then I know that you guys will appreciate it, and if you appreciate my look right now, please let me know on the comment section. Yes, let me know in the comment section, please. If you know that you are a returning subscriber, know that Maram loves you. I love you so much, and my love for you is priceless, and I'm never gonna stop loving you. If you know you are a new subscriber, thank you so much for clicking, thank you so much for coming in, and thank you so much for everything. I love you guys. And if you know you are a subscriber outside, like you know some people are watching but they do not subscribe, please, you better subscribe. I know you guys want to see me more, so please subscribe to my channel and also click on the notification bell so that anytime I upload a new video, you will get notification. I know you want that, so you gotta do it for me. Yes, do it for me. So guys, I'm signing out. Whoop, I'm signing out. Whoop, this is the tradition in this channel, so I'm gonna bring it back again. So let me dap for you guys. Whoop, let me dap for you guys. Whoop. Okay, see you guys in another video. Stay tuned.